The thing about true love is you got to be able to point out the right, the good, and the bad. And this is 5 top things about Louis Vuitton that grinds my gears. Channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and y'all know Louis Vuitton, my favorite. Like, it has more. It really does. But there's a couple of things about this fashion house that grinds my gears. It really does. It really does. So I would just go ahead and get into the first one, because the first one is the most annoying. Look, the packaging. The packaging. Now, I don't mean the orange and yellow. What did I say? Orange and yellow? The orange and blue colorway. No, that's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. Okay? I mean, once you pull the pretty little ribbon off, open the beautiful orange box. Like, I don't got no tissue paper. I don't got no tissue paper, no confetti, no, I ain't got nothing. It's 9 times out of 10, okay? And the only one from that 10 if it's ready to wear, okay? But if it's a handbag, sometimes even if it's ready to wear, you just getting a dust bag in the box, just bloop, thrown in the box. I ain't got no wrapping. I ain't got no stickers. And listen, only fashion house that I purchased, that I know, luxury fashion house, that do that. Like, nobody from Louis Vuitton has ordered anything from Dior and then opened that Dior box and was like, oh, we just got this all wrong. Like, ain't nobody getting epiphany at Louis Vuitton yet. It's annoying, and like Dior put them to shame. Like, Dior, like, I'm serious. Like, you can order a $32 lipstick, and Dior is pulling out all the stops on their packaging, okay? Fendi, not as good as Dior, but they have good packaging. Chanel Beauty, Chanel Ready to Wear, Chanel Sunglass, like, Louis Vuitton. Like, really? Like, I need somebody from Louis Vuitton corporate to order something from Chanel so they can understand the feeling of the packaging, okay? And if you want a real slap in your face, go order something from Dior. Like, the packaging is annoying. My next gripe. Now, this don't happen to me very often, because I have my CA, somebody need to give her a raise twice, okay? So this doesn't happen to me often, but when it does, it's very annoying. The 800 number, you know, the Louis Vuitton customer service 800 number. Why they don't never know about nothing in the stores? Like, I don't need you to send an email for me, ma'am. I could do that. Like, contact. Well, the stores are a separate entity. No, they not. Y'all got the same name, okay? If I call the 800 number, it should be like I'm calling the store. You should be able to answer my questions from your cubicle that the lady or the gentleman can answer from the store, okay? I don't need you to email the store. I don't need you to call the store. I need you to know the answers, ma'am. Because I can send an email and wait for them to open and call too, okay? And then, oh, well, I think they have one in stock. It shows that they have one in stock. I need you to be sure, okay? Because this is a fighting game. This is the Hunger Games, okay? I need to know if they have it in store, because I could be wasting my time calling another store to get this item, because I'm pretty sure somebody else is looking too, okay? I need the 800 number to be on the same page as the sales associates that's actually in the store, okay? I didn't call the 800 number to have a conversation. I called for results. They need a better 800 number. So Louis Vuitton hasn't caught on that we got thick, fabulous people in the world. That's my next gripe. if you haven't caught on by now. The sizing, the ready-to-wear sizing. The largest size I believe they go up to is a 46, right? And so I'm typically a 42, but I mean, I only got 2 more numbers after that. I don't like that. What if I decide I want a hamburger that day? I can't order nothing? I don't like that. The sizing is not average. Okay? It's not average. So I need them to work on a plus size sizes. You know what I mean? Like, there's people with curves in the world that would like to wear a jacket or a pair of jeans. All right? Like, let's fix that, Louis Vuitton. It's 2022, about to be 2023. Okay, you should have some plus sizes in your lineup, sir. So this one is for the world, Craig. Cause I don't really have this problem. Cause again, shout out to my CA, but I know other people got this problem, and it's annoying. Store locations. Because even with me, like, again, I don't care, cause like I can call my CA, she'll overnight it to me. But you know, unselfishly speaking, store locations. The closest store to me is 2.5 hours. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. And I hear all the time that there's no store, like, unless you live in a major city, i.e. New York, California, Los Angeles, Houston, like, unless you live in a popping cities, you gotta take a whole day trip. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Okay, but you know, I'm gonna give them a little leeway on this one, cause you might not want to put $1 million store in the middle podunk. Should I say that? My last gripe, it's a big one. It's a big one. Y'all notice every time there are sprinkles of rumor about a price increase, everything is out of stock. Everything is out of stock. Everything. Like, everything out of stock. Sir, yesterday you had 12 Neverfulls. You ain't got none today? Oh, okay. All right. I get it. And then when the price increase hit, everything back in stock. They fully loaded. Like, clipped up. Fully loaded. Ready to fire off these high prices that we still pay for. I'm serious. Like, this is not a conspiracy, people. This is not a conspiracy. I promise. Pay attention, because I'm sure we got one coming. Right? When you hear, when you like, what she say? When you hear there's a price increase, go on www.louisvuitton.com. Everything. Especially the classics. And especially the monogram canvas classics. Out of stock. Jesus can't even get them. You know they got stock, but Jesus can't get them. I stopped. And then the price increase hit. You go on that same website, because it's only one. You go on that same website. Okay, ready, put in court, ready to go. Ready to go. Matter of fact, ready to go. I'll ship it to you in 6 hours. That ain't right. That ain't right. Okay, good people, that is it. Those are my top 5, and honestly, not only 5 gripes that I have with Louis Vuitton. I'm talking a lot of smack, but I ain't gonna do nothing about it. I ain't gonna do nothing about it. But let me know, do you have any gripes with Louis Vuitton that I haven't mentioned, or are you on my page? Like, those are your gripes, that's your problem, and it's like, what a problem, those are the problems. Right there, sir. Fix them. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a chit chat in the video from your girl. Also, keep up with me on the daily. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people tomorrow. Okay, bye.